Hey, what's up, JPANGT peoples? It's your boy Citizen Z here. We're going to do a walk around video on our early 1974 Datsun 260Z, which we have up for sale. If you're interested in buying this baby, we're asking $2,500 or best offer. You guys can hit us up at JPANGT01@gmail.com. That's JPANGT, the number 0, the number 1 at gmail.com if you're interested in buying this baby. We're located in Indianapolis, Indiana, by the way, and we are willing to ship. Unfortunately, right now, we don't have the title to this baby. So either you gotta go the long way around, getting the title via court order, which is like 15 bucks, and go ahead and get that court order, and it'll tell DMV to give you a title in your name. Or you can do the Vermont title, the old Vermont rule. Pretty much they'll send you a title to your address wherever you live in the country. It says Vermont. You take that title, transfer it over to your state, and all that will still be in your name. Anyway, it's a lot faster, a little more expensive, but anyway, do the Vermont rule. You get a title for anything, and you can do it all online. So, all right, let's do the old walk around thing here. So, okay, so anyway, she's all there. She's a numbers matching L28 4-speed. The engine is all there. Motor spins freely. Unfortunately, I don't have the keys. It didn't come with the car. But she does have everything else. She will need some floor pans and frame rail work, as most of these old cars go, but she's a classic and needs some love. But she'll get up and go. So she has a set of headers on there, dual downdraft carburetors with K&N air filters on there. I don't know if you see the header tubes in there. I don't know what kind of headers they are, but they are aftermarket, of course. She is VIN number RLS30-035597 for you number crunchers out there. And as I said before, it's going to need floors and all that jazz. Everything's in here interior wise, except for one door panel, which was trash, so I threw that out. Alright, technical difficulties. Apparently I hit the wrong button. Anyway, so AMCO shift knob, seats seem to be, driver's passenger seat is in very good condition. It's got one tear as far as I can see. Been baking out in the sun here for a minute. Old school AMCO shift knob. All the gauges are there. I'm not sure of the mileage, so just assume she's been rolled over, of course. 92,710 miles. Alright, let's get to the back end here. Alright. Unfortunately, this is a car that I don't need, so I have no desire to keep her. If I had the room, I would, but you know, can't keep them all, as they say. You can try. So I haven't took the spare tire out, but looking underneath the tire, the spare tire tub do seem to be in good condition. Doesn't seem to be rotted through. You can probably see that through the spokes for you people at home. Anyways, it's got the original Michelin MXV spare tire, which is fully inflated, which is unusual. I'm not sure if it came with a full-size spare from the factory, but it looks to be that way. So anyway, the trunk is good. Rear quarter panel does seem to be hit, like it got grazed on the passenger side by something, which would explain why she got parked. Anyway, she was last registered, I think, in 2005. That's when she was last on the road. So she's going to need some love. But for anybody looking for a 240Z, early 260Z, it's not too bad of a car. Alright. Let me try and show you underneath the car in a second. Get some other engine pictures here. Spare battery tray. Not too bad of shape. She ain't rotted through really over there. Got some surface rust going on like most old cars. Yeah, so anyway, let's get down to the underside. Fortunately, I don't think I turned my flashlight on there, but there's part of the frame right there. Some pictures of the wheel well area. This is the rear on the driver's side, passenger side. And rear driver's side. And front driver's side. Yeah, so she's a rusty old girl, to say the least. And so she needs floor, frame, and some rocker panel work. Get underneath on the other side. Well, alright, that's about wraps up everything there as far as the car goes. She will come on roller wheels. Originally I had it listed with some Bridgestone Potenzas, which I sold. So now it just comes with some roller wheels, which at this point in time is going to be any random thing I can find to put on it. I got a bunch of cars I'm swapping around, some on flat, some ain't. So she will need a lower valence replacement in front too. Don't know what happened to it. Tow truck probably got hold of it or something. Anyway, but she's all there. She's good for a parts car or somebody looking to do a carbureted engine swap on their car. Like I said, she has a number matching L26 with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let me get the build date on this. Alright, build date is 5/74. Alright, well anyway, that concludes the tour of our keep forgetting that part, early 1974 Datsun 260Z L26 4-speed. I think she belonged to a military dude because you can see that Mathers Air Force Base. Alright. Yeah, so anyway, this is a car, y'all. So if you're interested in buying it, hit us up.
How you doing?
Alright, yourself?
Looking for 53.
Alright, y'all, technical difficulties again. People walking on set. Alright, anyway. So, she's a number matching L26 4-speed transmission. We're located here in Indianapolis, Indiana. We can help with shipping and all that jazz. Again, she has no title, but comes with a bill of sale and also missing the keys. So if you're interested, shoot us an email at JPANGT01@gmail.com and we'll get back to you ASAP. Later.